So hi everybody, I'm Gabby Goodwin. I'm 17 years old and I had the great pleasure of being a part of Miss Holly's Future Millionaire Money Camp. It was a great experience for me and my brother as we were able to really learn tangible things about saving money, earning money, how to budget, and all the things that come with financial learning and being able to be financially free. One of the things that I really took from the camp is to really keep track of the things that you spend and how to delegate your money and how your money is being able to work for you. One of the main activities that I remember is being able to use the three envelopes to really use our money for spending, saving, and then being able to also budget it as well and things like that. So being able to really have not only great teaching beforehand, but then also afterwards homework and tasks that we were able to really put into practice and implement every single week was something that was really cool, and I'm really excited to be able to continue to learn and grow in my knowledge in finance and being able to wisely use my money.